An understanding of styles is essential to using Vectorworks consistently and efficiently. So what is a style? A style is a set of object presets that is saved as a resource. Most parametric objects, known as plugin objects, can be styled. When a style is created, it appears in the resource manager. Like a symbol, a new instance can be placed in the drawing, or it can replace an existing instance of that object type. Unlike a symbol, each instance does not have to be an exact replica. Certain parameters can remain editable. You can also think of styles similarly to a Revit family or a dynamic symbol in AutoCAD. There are 3 ways to create a style. You can convert an existing unstyled object into a style. You can duplicate an existing style in the resource manager, or for certain style types such as viewport styles and render styles, you can create a new one from scratch in the resource manager. When creating a style, you can edit each parameter in the Style Settings dialog, and you can also choose whether those parameters remain constant across all instances or can be editable in each instance. In any Style Settings dialog, each parameter has a toggle on the left indicating whether that parameter is by instance or by style. When a parameter is by style, as shown with the curving arrow icon, it's identical across every instance of that style, and it can only be changed when you edit the style itself. When a parameter is toggled to by instance, or the slider icon, it can be edited separately in each individual instance. In the object info palette of a styled object, you can see that by instance parameters are editable and by style parameters are grayed out. If you do not wish to see the by style parameters in the OIP, you can check Hide Style Parameters. This makes it easy to quickly view and edit only the relevant fields. This is also a benefit of using styles in larger offices with shared libraries. It essentially simplifies objects so users of different skill or experience levels don't get bogged down by too many parameters, and CAD or BIM managers can more easily maintain control of drawing standards. To place a style in the drawing, you can drag and drop from the resource manager or select it from the resource selector in the corresponding tool. As you can see, you can also access styles from the default content or your own libraries. Being strategic with your by style and by instance settings can make design changes really efficient. For example, you can use a single cabinet style for all the cabinets in the kitchen by setting the materials and door design to be by style, but allowing the size and configuration to remain by instance. If you wish to change the color and door design of the kitchen, you can edit the style definition and all of the style instances will update without overriding their configuration. A huge benefit of styles is the ability to replace one style with another. When you replace a style, the new style's by style settings will override the same settings in the previous style, but the new style's by instance settings will not override those of the old style. Styles are not limited to modeled objects, but are also available with annotation objects, such as title blocks, drawing labels, reference markers, data tags, and graphic legends. You'll likely set most or all of the parameters of these styles to by style, so the prime benefits of creating styles of these types of objects is to save them to your library and easily replace one style with another. There are a few options that are available to any style regardless of object type. These are accessible by right-clicking the style in the Resource Manager and selecting Plugin Object Style options. These include the object's class, its 2D component settings, and its wall insertion settings. Styles are designed to streamline your workflow and keep your libraries organized. The ability to control multiple objects with the same definition while still allowing some variation is a big advantage of using Vectorworks. So no matter what type of design work you do, you should incorporate styles into your workflow.